give you a small heads up on the RV life and doing your laundry. Something that you might need to be aware of, because a lot of parks are going to tend to have units that's going to be down. So probably best to come like I do early in the morning when ain't really nobody here. It's actually the best time to do your laundry. So I would say before the sun come up, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock is typical the best times to actually come down here if you want to just get it done and start your day. If not, it's going to take you a long time to do it because of the convenience and how everybody else uses the machines, you know. So just keep that in mind when you're traveling, man, to make sure that they got accommodations if you don't have a washer and dryer in your unit.